So here we are at the home page, and we have two actual pages here that are actually identical. We have the home and the portfolio page, and they go to two different places, and this is for SEO purposes. But they actually load the exact same page, which is just the index for the portfolio pages. Now this is a regular page. If you click on this page to edit it, this will take you into the editor right here, and you'll see this is a regular page that can be edited with the Visual Composer. So I'm going to come back out here, and now I'm going to go into the real estate item right here. So now this has loaded the portfolio item for the real estate. Now this is actually in a different place. I'm going to come over here into the administrative interface, come over here to portfolio, and this is where these can be found in the administrative interface. Once again, you can click edit or the title to enter into the area here. We're in the real estate one right now, right here. But also when we're out here, we can also just click edit portfolio item, and this will take us into the screen to edit the portfolio item. Now this is a little bit different. This doesn't use the Visual Composer. So right here we've got a WYSIWYG editor for our text. A WYSIWYG editor is a what you see is what you get editor. You can expand your options by just clicking there, and as you hover over it, it'll tell you exactly what they do. Italicize, bold. You can create bulleted lists, align content, add links, strike through, and horizontal rules, and change text color. If you've ever used Microsoft Word, this interface is going to be very, very familiar to it. It's like just a truncated version of Microsoft Word is what it is. So you just go down here and create your content. You see we've got 3 links going here to content that have been bolded and stuff down here at the bottom. And this is what is going to appear over here on the side in this area right here. Then these images down here, there's a couple of areas where there are images. One, you will see this featured image right here. And that is the image that shows up on the index pages, which are the home page and the portfolio page. That's this image right here. So that's the image that will show up on the index page. As we scroll further down, though, here we've got the SEO area for dealing with the SEO for the page. We'll scroll further down and we'll see some stuff. It'll say quote a portfolio general. We'll scroll down a little bit further down from there, and here we have the list of our portfolio images. Now these images are not directly editable from this screen. I'm going to scroll a little bit further down, and you'll see we have 2 buttons down here that says upload and remove all. But upload's kind of a misnomer. You can also upload, but you can also edit the current gallery by clicking on upload. It uses WordPress's built-in gallery editor. Now, there are some gallery settings over here. You can completely ignore those. They are not used by this system. These are just the default settings that you get in the WordPress gallery. But this system connects into the WordPress gallery and allows you to use the WordPress gallery to go ahead and add and delete and reorganize images. So if I wanted to change the order of images here, I can take and move them over, rearrange them however I want to. I can remove images just by clicking that if I want to. I can click over here and click Add to Gallery, and I can go and select items from the media gallery, or I can upload images from my computer, whatever I want to do, and go back here to Edit Gallery. And you'll see I can, and these images will just show up here as I do this. I can go ahead and rearrange these and do whatever I like to these images. And these are the images that you're seeing right here on the actual portfolio page right over here on the side. As we'll see, we'll take a look at these images, and you'll see we have the room right there with the couch. We're seeing that right here, and the next one is the door, and it's just those images. They just simply go down in that order in this particular area right here on the side. So that's all these images are doing. And so it's very, very easy to come in here and rearrange these images. And if you want to, go ahead and click over here and upload some new images to the gallery. And then once you're done with that, all you do is click Update Gallery. And then remember, you need to come up here and click Update. And once you've done that, whatever changes that you've made will be visible out here in the portfolio item. You just have to go out and refresh that particular item, and you'll be able to see those changes. So that's how the portfolio system in here works. Just remember that the featured image on the portfolio item over here, which is this image right here, you just want to remember that this particular image is not actually shown on the page anywhere here in the portfolio item. It's only used out here in the index page over here, which is the portfolio and the home page. They're both the same page. It's only used out here on the index page. So that's the only thing you want to remember here is that's all that image is right there, and you can click on it, and it uses the same media uploader. You can upload. You can go to the media library and select another image, or you can upload another image there. Just be sure that when you do so that that it is just a standard. It uses about a standard landscape portrait is what it's using, and not portrait side, but standard landscape. So we want to make sure that it's that. If it looks a little funny, just let us know. And if you upload one and it doesn't look right, just let us know, and we'll take a look and see exactly what size image will need to be put there to make sure that it comes up correctly. But it should crop this when you upload that. It should crop this automatically for this page. So that's the only caveat there. Other than that, very, very easy to modify portfolio items. In the next video, I'm going to be going over menus and widgets.